September surge. September surge.
For some quick context, the September surge is when there are new roles and new companies out there hiring following the summer holidays.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the catchy word September surge.
September surge.
For some quick context, the September surge is when there are new roles and new companies out there hiring following the summer holidays.
But we're also diving into the October budget. September's over. And I just want to say this doesn't mean that because September's over, the peak of hiring has ended. And personally for me, I have got a job during October when I first got into this career. So I know for a fact that October is still a good time for you to still look for a job and still keep that momentum. I know it's tiring and the job market been so frustrating since 2023, and it gets so competitive when you always hear a company has laid off staffs, right? So now you got more people to compete with. I get it. So last year I did do a video about September surge, and I still want you to still use that as a guideline of what I'm going to tell you today. Like I said, I got lucky because of the fact that I reached out to someone that was higher up. And if you're new to design and you don't really know much about the hierarchy of a design team, well, you probably do know about the design team, but who is your boss? Like, who is your director's boss is what I'm insinuating right now. So let's go over the hierarchy. Junior designer, mid-level designer, senior designer, lead designer, manager, director. And these sequence can actually change depending what company you're looking at. Like if it's for a finance company, they have all these job titles that's totally different. But once you know the main hierarchy, you should be good. But what I'm asking you today is that, do you know who is your director's boss? I know people that are coming in might not know, but your director's boss would be people with these type of job titles. SVP of design, VP of product design, chief of staff, VP of head of design. These are the job descriptions that you need to look at, because I feel like for me, when I reach out to these people, I'm doing a little research on them. I would like to know the impact that they're making outside of their work, and if it's not just a job for them. These people are responsible of creating an atmosphere and a culture where everyone feels inclusive in the company. And as intimidating it might seem to approach them, I guarantee, depending what you find out about this person will respond to you. And when you connect with these decision makers, the way recruiters treat you changes. They take you more seriously, and it can lead to faster response and faster results and more compassionate reaction. And another tip that I have seen recently from social media going around, like if you was to go into a company's website that you like and go to the about and click interested, I heard that it signals recruiters that you're really interested in their company, and when they do have a position, they can reach out to you. I'm still testing this out myself, but hey, give it a shot, right? So to wrap it all up, while September surge is great, don't sleep on October. Companies are finalizing their year and needs, and this still is a time for you to land that dream job. Don't just wait for things to happen. Be proactive, reach out to higher ups, use LinkedIn strategically, and stay motivated. And if you haven't already, check out my video on the September surge from last year. A lot of those tips are still relevant. Like I said, a lot of those tips can also help you to look for these people. And all the best of luck in this job market. I am empathizing with anybody that's going through this. It's so different from the past few years. Trust me, I know. And thank you guys for watching. And I've noticed that I've been getting a lot of views, but please, if you guys can subscribe, hit the subscribe button so I can get monetized. I will appreciate that. And also this subscription thing that I have made here, please reach out to me. I am giving away 4 of them. If you decide that you want to make content one day and want to have one of these personalized subscription button that I made off of Figma, reach out to me, check out my email within, I think it's in the contact. Yeah, it's on the contact, but I'll also put it in the description so you can find it right there. Thanks for watching.